everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Payal Sehgal. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you all how you all can make an amazing matcha face mask at home and enjoy the benefits of matcha for your skin. This mask is very easy to make at home. All you need is just 3 ingredients and voila, this amazing vegan organic face mask is ready to be used. So to make this amazing face pack, all you need is 1 spoon of yogurt, 1 spoon of honey and half a teaspoon of matcha. So let's get started. All we need is an empty bowl and we will add 1 spoon of yogurt, 1 spoon of honey and half a teaspoon of matcha in an empty bowl and mix it well. So I have mixed everything together and all I need to just mix all these 3 ingredients well. Just need is a fine paste of these 3 things. So I'm gonna beat it up a bit more and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how our face pack is going to look like once we mix all these 3 items together. Now all we need is a brush and start applying it on our face. So this is how my matcha face mask looks like, and everything is mixed in well. And I'm gonna start applying it on my face. So right now I've just scrubbed my face, and you can take steam and scrub your face and then apply this face mask. It's always better to clean your skin really well before applying any kind of face mask. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put this mask on my face now. It is a very lightweight mask, so don't expect this mask to be like too heavy. You can just do is keep stroking it on your face. And most important, if you don't have matcha at home and if you don't wish to spend that much money, the easiest substitute available at home is green tea. You can just ground the green tea and make it a fine powder and mix that instead of matcha powder and make a face pack. Keep mixing it while putting it on your face, especially on my under eyes. So you can layer it up also. You can just let it dry for some time and then apply another layer on top of it. It can also be a good idea to do the same. I'm going to wait this layer to dry a bit and I'm going to apply second layer on top of it. And once you are done applying this face mask on your face, you just need to let it to dry a bit minimum. You have to keep it minimum for 20 minutes and wash it off. So I'm going to apply one more layer of the same and then I'm going to wash it off. I'm going to wait for 20 minutes and I'll see you. So the time is up and my mask is dry. It's just a bit sticky. So I'm going to wash it off with cold water and I'll show you how it looks. So this is how my skin feels after applying matcha face mask on my skin, and I feel very well hydrated and my skin feels nourished. So post this, I'm going to apply a very amazing product that is again rich in matcha and is really good for your skin, as it has lots of benefits. It's made of organic plant butter, organic oils and Japanese matcha. So I'm going to show you. It is again one of my products from Khloe Organic Essentials, which I make fresh on order and has Japanese matcha in it. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna apply it as a moisturizer on my skin. Was this amazing face mask that I have applied on my skin. So you just need a bit of this cream. The texture of this cream is so light and good. It feels really refreshing. So all you need is to just massage it on your face. This amazing moisturizer smells amazing and it's really good for your skin. It's so light, it has a very light texture and it leaves an amazing glow on your skin. This cream can be used in the daytime and as a night repair. As it has Japanese matcha, it has so many antioxidants. You can say it's rich in antioxidants and so many other things because it has organic oils and organic plant butter, which is like a treat for your skin and an amazing skin healing therapy for home. As you can see, I have this natural glowing look on my face and it's not sticky at all. It has vitamin C also, which is really good for summers and all skin types. This product is available on Instagram on the page called Khloe Organic Essential. If you want to try this product, you can DM us to order it. Also, you can use this moisturizer as a night repair and as a primer before your makeup and as a day cream also. It is really good for all skin types. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, subscribe and share if you liked my video. I will be back with yet another amazing skincare routine, DIY and a makeup tutorial. Till then, you all stay home and stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.